Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to change your avatar on Reddit. Maybe you want to personalize your online identity and make your profile more distinctive or representative of your personality. So today I'm going to show you how to change your avatar on Reddit. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open the Reddit application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the home page. In this page, tap on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. A panel will appear at the right side, and here, tap on this My Profile option. Now, in this page, tap on this pencil icon at the top right corner. Here, you can now see all of your profile details. Since you wanted to change your avatar, simply tap on this pencil icon just below the avatar. A menu will pop up below, and here you can choose between Style Avatar, Pick Image, or Restore Default Avatar. For example, I will choose Pick Image, so I will tap on it. Now here, choose the image that you want to be your new avatar. For example, I want to use this photo, so simply tap on it. Once you have selected the photo, tap on this Add button. Here, don't forget to tap on the Save button to apply the changes. After that, you now have successfully changed your avatar on Reddit. Your new avatar will now be visible to your followers and other users who visit your profile. There you go. If you wanted to know how to change your avatar on Reddit, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to change your avatar on Reddit, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.